What is good, YouTube? It's your boy AJB.img, bring you guys back another quick driving POV. You guys are in the right place to be. Thank you for being here. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, do all that for more content. Keep me motivated. So today, as you can see, we are in the midget mobile, the Miata, the 5-speed Miata. We're taking it up to San Francisco today. Where we're gonna go is we're gonna go to Alice's or Skyline Boulevard. So Alice's is the restaurant that is along Woodside, which is in San Francisco. This is near Skyline Boulevard. This is up in San Francisco. I'm gonna be coming from Oakland. We just had to gas up the Miata. Some quick stats on the Miata. 5-speed. I've owned it about 3-4 years. Almost 143,000 miles on the car. I put about, I would say in the last, depending on the date range that you use, 3 to 4 years, probably about 9 or 10,000 miles a year, which I think is pretty average. So yeah, car runs pretty good. Again, we'll be doing some upgrades. Actually just bought a Mazda Miata Roadster shifter with a 4-inch fork. So I'm looking forward to that coming in when I do my clutch as well. I already have a short shifter in this car, but I think the extender, I saw I think it's IRS or IRF, I could be getting it wrong. Something Motorsports shifter that's 4 inches that's extended. And I saw that at one of the Ohio Roadsters. So I'm a part of the Ohio Roadsters Club. I haven't gone since, you know, probably about 3-4 meets ago. I actually went to their first meet, but I like this club. It's a club where you can go meet a lot of people that are Miata enthusiasts. They have lots of vehicles that, you know, you can get a lot of inspiration on what you want to do with your car. It's more family oriented. It's not like you're getting there and people are standing around looking like, you know, statues, man. Like, people are actually talking. You know, you can connect with people. I actually saw Tom Matano, who has designed this vehicle, has shown up multiple times to that event. So it's a really family oriented friendly event. That's a nice event to go to, and that's where I got the inspiration for that shifter. So I'm looking forward to mine coming in. It'll look pretty similar when you guys will see it. Again, I'll probably put the shifter's link in the description. I'm getting the name wrong, but if you own the Miata and you've done any work on the shifters, you probably know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's pretty much the car. We'll try to see, normally when we go up to Alice's, we'll see what other nice vehicles are up there. I actually went to San Francisco last night at like 12 o'clock. Freaking took the car all the way up there. Thought I was recording on this GoPro Hero 12 Black, and of course I was not recording. Wasted half a tank of gas and did not get any footage, which is unfortunate, right? So still working on getting this GoPro right. I was initially using the damn head mount. Oh my gosh, man, the footage in that was not great. The head mount makes me also look like I'm out of the movie Predator, man. It makes me look crazy, especially with all this. If I don't have my hat on my head, man, the GoPro makes me look like I'm just a wild man. So I'm going with a different method. Obviously, I've realized now that the head pro mount, which obviously freaking hurts your head, makes me look like I'm out of the damn movies, is not the way to go. The best route is essentially, if you're gonna go POV mode, is what I'm doing now, is with a hat, as what most say, and then some type of clip. You can put your GoPro in a cage or whatever, so on and what have you. Haven't hooked up any binaural audio, but this is kind of what I've gotten from looking at Tedward's video. So yeah, we learn as we go. We're no longer looking like Marlon Wayans out here with that damn mount strapped to my head. But we're in a better place. We're learning, and we will continue to put out more fire content and more additional speed runs and videos where we take our cars and push them to the limits in different open roads in different places within California, and all over the US. So I think that's enough yapping for now. What we'll do is we'll start the car. I'll get up to Skyline Boulevard. When I get to Alice's, we'll assess what cars are there, pop the camera on real quick, and then we'll go straight into drive mode. I'll probably put the top down too, because I think that'll be a bit better for you guys to get more surround sound. We've got the Max Pro lens 2.0 on this. You guys are able to see 177 degrees of wide angle. Hopefully, again, the footage is okay. But yeah, that's all I got. I'm looking forward to definitely going on this drive Takes a little while to get up there, but I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace.
A few moments later.
Quick update. We are on our way. We're about 30 minutes away. If you know and you're from the Bay, you know how much traffic is out here on these roads. But yeah, we're almost there. We're just hitting the pedal to the metal straight away. We don't have too much left before we get over to Woodside. You can already see we're pushing it to the absolute limit. Guys, about 25 minutes. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. About 25 minutes till we get over to Alice, and then we'll pick it up. Hopefully we see some nice cars. It's a beautiful day out here in the Bay Area. Oh my gosh, it's so nice out. The camera is not doing it justice how nice out it is today. So thank God for a nice day. And yeah, just wanted to get you guys a quick update. I'm gonna catch you guys when we, as I said, get to Alice's in the next segment. Deuces. What is going on, guys? So we just got here to Alice's. We just arrived. Pretty nice day out. Not too many cars here. There is a nice ST right here though. Love these SUVs. But yeah, this is where we are. We're at Alice's restaurant over here by Woodside. Pretty popular spot for a lot of bikers, a lot of car enthusiasts, so on and so forth. But yeah, really nice Explorer ST right here. Normally there's a lot of Porsches out here, lots of different variations of vehicles that you'll normally see out here. They're driving. I think the last time I was here I saw a really nice red Miata and a couple different Porsches. Yeah, on my way here, oh, there goes, I don't really know what that is, but that's something decent. Looks like he's going for a drive. But anyways, wanted to show you guys when we got here what the location looks like. Here goes another Miata owner right here. What's going on? And yeah, ideally we will get started right on the road and see what these roads have to offer. Bear with me. I will probably do a POV with the top down as well as with the top up, just coming from different angles. So we'll start going from one end, see what the content gives us, and then we will take the top down / put it up for the next side that we come down and get some content on. But yeah, stay tuned. We are gonna go ahead and start the vehicle right now. Take off. All right. Okay. Top up. And you do have to be pretty careful around these roundabouts. A lot of bikers. You know, you can't be multitasking on these in this area. Go off the cliff if you do. As usual, I don't have any signal out here. you don't need to be going a million miles an hour around here. Like, you're just gonna enjoy the drive too. Like, you don't have to be forcing it when you're driving around on some of these roads. You will go off the cliff trying to be a superhero, man. I'm telling you, you gotta be careful when you're out here, you know. Don't have to be the fastest guy, but you know, you get it in. Just in the spot where it can't obstruct my view, but I still gotta be careful, you know? But I still gotta go to Bodega Bay. I gotta go to so many nice spots. Highway 17 in Santa Cruz is also dope too. Just in terms of like the windiness and, you know, there's a lot of accidents over there too, but it's real nice. Highway 17 by Santa Cruz. You can't beat it. Definitely got to take a trip over there. Alright. Probably go a little bit further on this. And then turn it around. See what the other side's got. Stock 90 horsepower. I like this car. It's a little go-kart. Got to get in butt first, you know, but it's a fun car. It's one of the funnest, funnest. It is one of the most fun small cars I've ever owned. You got to be careful though, man. If you live in an area where you got bad drivers though, like this is a really good car for beginners, especially if you're trying to learn how to drive stick or anything like that. And just a basic car that normally has good handling, good gas mileage, economy, so on and so forth. Great car. But you know, if you're not a very experienced driver, I definitely would recommend being careful with this car, you know, because if you're in the area or a metropolitan city where people are bad drivers, you know, you can get hit in this car, and getting hit in this car is gonna feel a whole lot different than getting hit in a Volvo or getting hit in a damn Escalade or something like that. You know, you're gonna feel getting hit in this car. So those are just my recommendations for anybody that's looking to buy one. But definitely recommend this vehicle. Very fun, versatile car that you can use in so many different situations. Obviously you're not going to be hauling stuff in it, but you know, you get the idea. But anyways guys, I think we're going to get up here. I think we get the idea of this road. We're going to get to a little pit stop area, so I'll pause this video. I'll pick it up back in the next segment when we are heading back the exact way that we just came. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Peace.